Back in Sherman, Texas today, where many of you guys watching this channel have been calling me and saying, hey, I'm looking in Sherman now because of all the exciting projects going on there. I put my money where my mouth was and purchased a home right here in Sherman, Texas in 2018. And that was right before all the major announcements started happening here. And we're going to get to those announcements here shortly, because in this video, I'm taking you through my newest listing in Sherman, Texas. This incredible home was remodeled by the ROI guys, and they are changing the game in North Texas real estate. And I'll share more about them in a minute as well, because today we're getting right into the home tour. Then afterwards, make sure you stay until after the home tour, as we'll be covering some of the local attractions, as well as some of the major announcements that have caught national attention. I know you've heard me mention this in previous videos, but I assure you, in 5 to 10 years, you're gonna wish you would have bought 2 or 3 of these homes before Sherman, Texas blew up. Let's go ahead and get started with the house tour. This home was built in 2015 and has had major renovations, including all new flooring throughout, all new interior paint, refinished hardwood floors, upgraded lighting fixtures, and a brand new roof and water heater. You have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, an open floor plan, a dedicated office, a dedicated media room for all your movie nights, and a second living area for hosting comfortably, and a 3-car garage. This home also provides very convenient access to Highway 75 for your daily commute to work, and you're right behind the Sherman Town Center for access to shopping and dining. This home offers 3,340 square feet of living space, so there's plenty of room to make it your own. I actually built this exact same model a few years ago before I bought my current place, and I'm still kicking myself for not closing on that home. And this is my first listing with a couple of guys that you'll likely be seeing on this channel moving forward. Their names are Alec Hilliard and Daniel Huffman, and they are taking over the North Texas remodeling game with some insane house flips. If you've ever watched HGTV or Property Brothers back in the day, you're gonna love the work that these guys do. Here's their social media information so you can be sure to follow all their content. This home is priced at just $525,000. And if you want to know the property address, just check out the description below or email me the word address. Again, all my contact info is pinned in the top comment below. Let's go ahead and have a look inside. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that house tour. Personally, I'm a huge fan of the media room, as my family and I love our movie nights on Friday nights. Now that we've covered the house tour, let's go ahead and cover some of the local attractions and major announcements of North Texas. And we can't mention local attractions in Sherman or the general North Texas area without first mentioning Lake Texoma. This is one of the largest man-made lakes in Texas and one of the largest reservoirs in the whole U.S. You can access the lake from the northwest side of Denison, and it's great for bass and striper fishing, water sports, jet skiing, boating, tubing, and camping. And there's also great golfing over at Tanglewood. The lake is a staple for Denison and the overall North Texas community. It's a great tourist spot and huge for the local economy. And this area of Denison has so much intrigue, the city just approved the Schuler development, which is now called Preston Harbor, a project that's expected to double Denison's population. This is a 3,100-acre community that will include retail, restaurants, boat slips, and a resort, and is led by none other than David Craig, the developer of the massively popular Craig Ranch in McKinney, Texas. This is a monumental project for North Texas and is one of the largest land purchases in Grayson County history. It's estimated that this project will bring around $6 billion in ad valorem value for the city of Denison. And speaking of that major announcement that we were talking about, going back to Lake Texoma, weekend getaways, and the Preston Harbor project, it was just announced by the city on December 19th, there has been an agreement for a $100 million Margaritaville resort to be built in the development and onto the lake. This resort will include between 250 and 280 hotel rooms and add about 300 jobs. More details of this project will be coming soon. But as you can imagine, this will transform the look and feel of this town. And if you know anything about the growth of a city, think about McKinney or Frisco spending the last 2 decades, you know this home is surely going to appreciate very well over the next 5 to 10 years. Another fun attraction for the family in Denison is over at Heyday. Heyday offers plenty of things to do for kids and adults. You have bowling, arcade, laser tag, you have a bar and restaurant, outdoor seating, live music, and it's a great place to watch Cowboys games or big UFC fights. It's right next to Urban Air. Urban Air is crazy fun for kids with trampolines everywhere, but it's also crazy overstimulating for parents. You're also only about 5 minutes away from the Sherman Town Center. In this town center, we have Cinemark theaters, plenty of retail stores here with Best Buy, Home Depot, and many clothing retailers. And of course, you must have a Chick-fil-A and Chipotle in your town centers. Denison is only about 20 to 30 minutes away from Choctaw Casino and Resort. This is truly a world-class casino in Durant. This is in the very southern tip of Oklahoma and one of the biggest draws for local attractions. You have 100 table games, 7,400 slot machines, a state-of-the-art poker room, 16 restaurants, 6 movie theaters, a massive arcade and sports bar. And for that weekend resort getaway, you can stay at the Sky Tower, where you can enjoy private cabanas, 1,700 hotel rooms, and a pool that you'd only see in Las Vegas, built by a local pool builder that grew up right here in Denison, Texas. Moving over to historic downtown Sherman. Downtown Sherman hosts the widely popular hot summer nights between June and August every year, on Thursdays of every week. Another benefit of purchasing this home is you're only about 10 minutes away from Texoma Medical Center, and this is the largest hospital from here to McKinney. Now that we've covered the house tour and the major announcements of the area, let's go and see what the monthly payments would look like on this home. Full disclosure, I'm a realtor, not a loan officer. This is just using some napkin math with the current interest rates. At the time of making this video, rates are hovering around 6.7%. If you were to make a conventional offer at asking price, putting 5% down, that's a $26,250 down payment on a 30-year fixed rate at 6.7%. This brings our principal and interest payment to $3,234. Taxes in 2023 were around $9,400 for the year. They'll likely go up around 10% in 2024. So let's estimate $10,340 in annual taxes, bringing us to an estimate of $861 a month in taxes. Again, this could be a little higher or lower depending on the tax value for 2024. Let's ballpark premium homeowners insurance at $410 a month. This could go up or down depending on your insurance agent. And since we are putting 20% down, let's ballpark mortgage insurance at $364 a month as well. There's an HOA fee of $58 per month, bringing us to a total monthly payment estimate of $49.27 per month. If you put 20% down, that would bring us to $105,000 down payment, and it brings your principal and interest down to $27.23 and knocks off your mortgage insurance, so that makes your monthly payment around $4,052. Again, these are ballpark estimates using some mortgage calculators online. I am not a certified loan officer, I just sells the houses. So guys, this is going to close us out on my latest listing in Sherman, Texas. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Do me a favor, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about this home or would like to see a tour in person, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact info is pinned in the top comment below. And lastly, if you want to see what another great North Texas suburb is like, check out this video by clicking here.